So the other day, I hit 1,000 subscribers, and I was gonna do a burnout thank you video, and this happened.
We can't have anyone freak out there, okay? We gotta keep our composure. We've come too far. There's too much to lose. We gotta keep our composure. You want to see what my life is?
Don't do it.
Oh, man! Ow!
We have to go to therapy?
What the fuck happened? Hey!
Ron, where are you?
I'm in a glass case of emotion!
And in case anyone's wondering, I was in my driveway because I always do a test burnout before I go and film the actual, footage that I want to shoot, just to make sure my truck's okay. And I'm glad I did, because obviously it wasn't. So originally I thought it was a transmission, but I started playing with my truck and spinning my wheels, and I noticed that this one's getting stuck right here, which that could be the brakes or whatever, but the other wheel doesn't spin. And when I shifted in neutral or drive, the drive shaft doesn't spin. So I'm thinking it might be my rear end I fucked. Alright, so I got the camera under there. This is gonna fucking hurt me more than it's gonna hurt y'all.
Like a tornado of anger, swirling about.
I'm no mechanic. Shouldn't you start leaking already? Oh, it does not smell good. I need a lift. There she goes. Don't look too bad. What? Did y'all hear that? Oh no! Oh, let's see if I can see that. That's metal. Oh boy. She's fucked, huh? Oh. Oh. What else is gonna fall? Oh, nice. Well, let's see what else we got in here. That looks important. That looks important. There's a bunch of tiny pieces in there. All right. Yep. Oh, she's fucked, boys. Get a better view for y'all. I know what's wrong with it. Ain't got no gas in it. Oh shit! What was that? That looks important too. Yep. Yep. Oh, there's something else in here. That's important. That's important. Oh shit, it's like a treasure chest back here. Fucking sent it, boys. That's important. Oh, that's important. What else? What else is back there? Let's see, it's been the... Well, boys, as you can see here, we had multiple points of failure. I don't know what that is. This guy just said, fuck you, I'm bending myself. We have a nice little gear. Actually doesn't look half bad, except the hole inside of it. It doesn't look normal. There's this guy. I'm sure he has a brother here somewhere. Look at this guy. Oh yeah. That boy's juicy. Let's see. Look at this nice piece of solid forged American US steel. Oh wait, what? No, it's not forged. Probably not forged. We got a big old chunk of magnet here. Oof. There's this guy. This guy. Yep, boys. It's fucking sent it. Alright, as you can see here, this is what's left of the drive shaft of the rear end. Those gears got torn up pretty good. Can't tell much about that back gear. Let's see what else we got here. All those teeth got torn up pretty damn good, actually. That's wild. Guess that's what an LS does to one of these things. They're not meant for it. Let's rotate in the wheel. Thought it'd be hilarious to show you all the gears. There's that one. She's fucked. And here's the other one. Here's another angle. Spinning the whole thing. Big old chunk blew out right there. I'm telling you, boys. Jesus Christ, he's fucked. I just wanted to give you a quick little update. Right now, I am headed to the place where things go to die and Mexicans go to thrive. That's right, the Junkyard. And of course, fellas, I stay true to my word. We have the stroller, Junkyard cart, still out rolling, so that's good. Holy shit, look at this thing. Who jumped this thing? Fucking rare.
Sweet old car, man.
I know.
It used to be
1974 Dodge Charger. I don't know who would throw this thing away. No door. That's wild, dude. That's fucking crazy. Jesus, the trunk looks pretty new. Or kept up with. It's got some damage up there. Jesus, dude, that's crazy. Well, it's here if anyone wants to come fuck with it. Alright, so what am I doing today? I want to give everyone a heads up, and I'll give you this nice scenic view instead of my face to look at while I'm talking. So, we've been planning on moving for a very long time. And we've had some things in the works, and some stuff finally came through. And hopefully, if it works out, we'll be able to have a nice sized land. I'm talking about maybe an acre here in Texas, which in the Houston area, well, not Houston, let's say outside city limits, west side Houston. I'm sorry, east side. So anyways, it looks like the move is happening sooner than later, which is kind of unexpected, especially right now since my rear end decided just to commit suicide and blow up, right? So I went ahead and bought a rear end. I won't tell you which kind, but hint hint. And I need my truck to be driving, and I could do it in a timely manner, but I don't want to risk rushing through it. Fortunately, it's just one of those things that gonna happen. So I've got a plan. I'm out here today to steal the internals of the S10 rear end that I fucked up originally. I'm hoping to find the right one, at least something matching. This was a 4x4, so gotta do some quick research, see if that one fits. I don't think it will though. Let's see. Rear end looks the same. It might work. I have to look into it, but yeah, just to give you an idea. I'm not trying to spend too much time on this video, obviously. I know you guys, some of you guys who like watching my show, are mainly in it for the how-tos and stuff, but I figured I'd give you guys at least an update on this. We got it, boys. That sucked. Anyways, yeah, so basically, I'm not really going to be able to put out much content over the next few months. But there is a pro to all this. And kind of the reason we're doing it, well, the first reason is to just get more space. You know, we have a baby and stuff, so it gives room for the family to grow and stuff. But the second reason is we're going to put an actual shop on the property, which will be really cool. And hopefully, what I'm hoping to do is eventually have a lift inside, so I don't have to keep crawling around the floor. Which is kind of hilarious why this broke at this time, because, you know, you don't expect it. You don't expect shit to break when you kind of need it to work. So I won't use the S10 to move too much, but I will use it to move some stuff. But for the most part, it's gonna it's gotta be drivable, basically. Long story short of this, we need a driving vehicle. So we have 2 other vehicles, but we might sell my wife's car too at the same time. So, you know, there's just a lot going on. But yeah, I'm hoping this gear works. It's different gear than what I have. Mine's 373 and this is the 342. I'm hoping that as long as the axles aren't too different, we should be all right. Yeah. Well, I guess thanks for watching. That's all I got to report. Take care.